So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get an invoice on eBay. So first of all, you can go to ebay.com and log into your account. You can see then hi and your name on there. You can see daily deals, brand outlets, gift cards, help and contact. You can see ship to, sell, watch list, my eBay, notifications, as well as your shopping cart. On here I've laid out the steps so you can even pause the video to check them out. And from there I'm just gonna talk you through and show you how it's going to look. So go to my eBay. Through there, you will need to go to your purchase history. Once you're there, you will see the items that you want to get an invoice for. So on here, you can see access purchase history. We've done 2 of those steps. After that, you can see locate the order. So you can see filters at the top part of the page and you can find the order accordingly. After that, click on the order that you want to get an invoice for. So that's also done. View order details. So you will see the option view order details next to the order. Very similar to your bids and other stuff you can try to get on eBay. So you're going to see on the right side of the screen some options. Just click on view order details. After that, print or save as PDF. So that's how you're going to get, you can see view printer friendly page, or just save it as a PDF and print it somewhere else. So these are the steps you need to take to get to your invoice. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on eBay or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.